Okay, so it's a great honor for me to open this great exhibition. I'd like to thank Aisha for inviting me, uh, invite me to contribute to the book, inviting me to be at this great colloquium and this opening. I'm sure we've all had a very enlightening afternoon, and we all uh, thank Aisha for keeping this matter alive. The issue of Chibok girls is something that needs not to be forgotten. Not just because of the 88 girls that are still in captivity, but because of what they represent. The whole structural violence, the whole question of education for the girl child, the question of forced marriages, questions of a lack of good governance in Africa, in northern Nigeria in particular, because the girls who are in school and who are denied an education are suffering as much as those who will be taken away from school. I'd like to thank Aisha and thank everyone for this. I hope that we'll keep this matter and we hope that the girls will be released and all the other girls and women and young boys have been abducted. And we look forward to continuing with the advocacy back home with the government, because at the end of the day, the state has to be able to protect its citizens, and that is where the real issue is the failure of the state to protect its citizens, and we must never let the state forget that. And hopefully, with what is happening with things like this, with voices like this, we'll get some work done. So not much to say. All that needs to be said has been said by all the experts. Great honor for me, and enjoy the rest of the exhibition.
Thank you.